video, I'm going to discuss the question set 16. Here, the marks of the term examinations of the Kaluvila Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in his school in a computer system. And the software was developed by a software development company called AI Soft. The software should be able to store all the student term scores and student assessment marks. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of students in grade 11. As the first stage of this software, you work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here, and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. Here, the first question is create a database named exam marks DB to store student marks. Use the ER diagram to create this database. And here, the second question is create a table named student to student data. Create the table according to the instructions below. Here, we should make the student table. Index number is the primary key here. All the data types are varchar. So let's create our database and let's create the tables now. First, I'm going to create my database here. I have now created my database. Let's go to the ER diagram. I'm going to create my first table now. The student table. The first column is index number. It's the primary key. And the data type is varchar. So, first name, gender, and the contact number. Contact number also, data type is also. As you can see here, I have now created my student table. The next question. The school has two grade 11 classes and create a table called class to store the details of the classes. Here we should create the class table. Class ID is the primary key and we should make it auto increment. Also, the fourth question is let me create these two tables together. Create a table called subject to store subjects taught in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. Here, the subject ID should be the primary key and it should be auto-incremented. And the data type is int. Let's go and make our tables. I'm going to first make my class table. The class ID is the primary key. I have created my class table. I'll create my subject table too. Subject ID is the primary key here. As you can see here, I have created my both class and subject tables. The fifth question, create a table with the term exam terms to store the term test in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. Here we should make the term ID as the primary key and it should be auto-implemented with the data type int, and term name should be Vacha and exam date should be date. Let's go make this table. I'm going to make my exam table now. Exam date. The data type should be date here. I have now completed my question set 16. Thank you.